Welcome to Svelte Radio, a podcast about the radically different web framework that shifts the work from the browser into a compile step. We aim to bring you an episode every week that contains news and updates on both the framework as well as the community surrounding it. Visit us at svelteradio.com for the latest updates. I'm your host, Kevin, and let's get started. Just recently, Svelte 3.16 was released. This version brings improvements to how the framework tracks changes under the hood. By using bit masks, the bundle size will get reduced, especially in components that have a lot of top-level values. In addition to some bug fixes, there's also the use of request animation frame to improve the smoothness of transitions. Everyone seems to be clamoring for TypeScript support, and this week you could say that we are one step closer. Half Nelson, the person behind the Svelte native project, released a package called Svelte Type Checker that can be used to type check your project. He's currently working on getting a VS Code extension made to go with it. This week we all probably heard of the React concurrent demo by Paul Henschel. The demo supposedly shows how fast React can be when using scheduling. Rich Harris made a Svelte version of the demo wherein we can see the Svelte version updating much faster. Jeff Delaney of Fireship.io released a package called SvelteFire that can be used to integrate Firebase more easily with Svelte. It supports features such as handling loading and fallback states for async data, as well as performance monitoring in Google Analytics. Last week, Peter Allen shared a talk he did at Bristec called Re-Rendering Perceptions with Svelte. He walks us through how Svelte takes a different approach to other frameworks like Vue or React. As a bonus, his slides are all made in Svelte. So if you're interested in looking at how you would make your own slides, you can check out his GitHub. The community-produced website is coming along nicely and recently got a facelift. Swix added a section where you can check out projects made in Svelte and Sapper. If you want to contribute to our effort, check out the community repo. Lastly, next week on December 9th, the second Svelte Society Stockholm meetup will take place. We'll be doing a code-along where we build a Hacker News clone. If you're interested, check out the meetup page and come join us. Alright, that's it. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of Svelte Radio. Make sure to subscribe to the podcast on iTunes or your favorite podcast player so you don't miss out on anything. If you want to read more on any of these stories featured on this week's show, the transcript and show notes will be on our website, svelteradio.com. That's all. Take care and see you next week.